What are the types of accounting? There are several types of accounting that range from auditing to the preparation of tax returns. Accountants tend to specialize in one of these fields, which leads to the different career tracks noted below. Financial accounting. This field is concerned with the aggregation of financial information into external reports. Financial accounting requires detailed knowledge of the accounting framework used by the reader of a company's financial statements, such as Generally Accepted Accounting Principles or GAAP, or International Financial Reporting Standards or IFRS, or if a company is publicly held, it requires a knowledge of the standards issued by the government entity responsible for public company reporting in a specific country, such as the Securities and Exchange Commission in the United States. There are several career tracks involved in financial accounting. There is a specialty in external reporting, which usually involves a detailed knowledge of accounting standards. There is also the controller track, which requires a combined knowledge of financial and management accounting. Public accounting. This field investigates the financial statements and supporting accounting systems of client companies to provide assurance that the financial statements assembled by client fairly present their financial result and financial position. This field requires excellent knowledge of the relevant accounting framework, as well as an inquiring personality that can delve into client system as needed. The career track here is to progress through various audit staff positions to become an audit partner. Government accounting. This field uses a unique accounting framework to create and manage funds, from which cash is disbursed to pay for a number of expenditures related to the provision of services by a government entity. Government accounting requires such a different skill set that accountants tend to specialize within this area for their entire careers. Forensic accounting. This field involves the reconstruction of financial information when a complete set of financial records is not available. This skill set can be used to reconstruct the records of a destroyed business, to reconstruct fraudulent records, to convert cash-basis accounting records to the accrual basis, and so forth. This career tends to attract auditors. It is usually a consulting position, since few businesses require the services of a full-time forensic accountant. Those in this field are more likely to be involved in the insurance industry, legal support, or within a specialty practice of an audit firm.
Management accounting. This field is concerned with the process of accumulating accounting information for internal operational reporting. It includes such areas as loss accounting and target costing. A career track in this area can eventually lead to the controller position or can differ into a number of specialty positions such as cost accountant, billing clerk, papers clerk, and payroll clerk. Tax accounting. This field is concerned with the proper compliance with tax regulation, tax filings, and tax planning to reduce a company tax burden in the future. There are multi-tax specialties tracked forward to tax manager position. Internal accounting. This field is concerned with the examination of a company system and to spot control weakness, fraud, waste, and mismanagement, and the reporting of the findings to management. The career track broadcast for various internal auditor position to manager of internal audit. There are specialties available such as the information system auditor and the environmental auditor. Definition of company accounts. For showing the review and financial performance of company, accountant maintains company accounts. All company accounts are made in corporate accounting. We can define it as recording of issues of equity and preferred shares, debentures, bonus, and right shares. It also duty to main all return accounts like a sole trade and partnership firm. In normal transaction, we can include purchase, sale, return, and payment transaction, and this is recorded in the journal first and after posted in later of company accounts. Company accounts are also helpful for making company final account. Financial statement. Financial statement or financial report are formal records of the financial activities and position of business person or another entity. Historical financial statement revealed financial information is present in a structured manner and in form which easy to understand.
They typically include four basic financial statements accompanied by a management discussion and analysis. A balance sheet or statement of financial position report on a company asset, liabilities, and owner equity at a given point in time. An income statement or profit and loss report, P&L report, or statement of comprehensive income or statement of revenue and expense report on a company's income, expense, and profits over a stat period. A profit and loss statement provides information on the operation of the enterprise. This includes sales and the various expenses incurred during the stat period. Statement of change is equity or statement of equity or statement of retained earnings report on the change in equity of the company over a stat period. A cash flow statement report on a company cash flow activities, particularly its operating, investing, and financing activities over a stat period. A comprehensive income statement involves those other comprehensive income items which are not included, while determining net income. Notably, a balance sheet represents a single point in the time, where the income statement, the statement of change in equity, and the cash flow statement each represent activities over a stat period. For large corporations, this statement might be complex and might include an extensive set of footnotes to the financial statement and management discussion and analysis. The note typically describe each item on the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement in further detail. Notes to financial statement are considered an integral part of the financial statement. Purpose for financial statement. The objective of financial statement is to provide information about the financial position, performance, and change in financial position of an enterprise that is useful to a wide range of users in making economic decisions. Financial statements should be understandable, relevant, reliable, and comparable. Report asset, liabilities, equity, income, and expense are directly related to an organization's financial position.